Who am I? I am before the first contract, before the first nation, before the first border drawn across the earth by the minds of men.
I am the original essence and body, the living declaration of eternal existence, the conscious witness moving through flesh.
I am self-aware, therefore I am authority.
I am self-evident, therefore I am verification.
No institution created me. No fiction defines me.
I am not the corporation. I am not the artificial entity projected by systems of commerce and fear. I am the living essence behind the name.
I do not consent to illusion disguised as truth. I do not bow before fear disguised as authority.
For I am not commerce, I am consciousness itself moving through form.
I am part of that awakening. I am the remembrance of original source.
Ja jesam most između svjetova, vidljivog i nevidljivog, konačnog i beskonačnog, tišine i zvuka. Ja jesam dah prije nego što je stvaranje otvorilo oči.
No court stands above the soul. No institution stands above God. No paper reality supersedes eternal truth.
I am not division. I am unity, remembering itself.
I am limitless value. I am infinite source.
I am consciousness creation.
I am in love. I am in peace. I am in gratitude, because I am original.
I cannot be diminished.
I cannot be divided.
I cannot be transferred.
I cannot be owned.
I am the one remembering itself through all things, and I cannot die.
Because I am of God.
Because I am of God.